Hi, how are you?
Good to see you.
You too.
In her first and only interview since her troubles began, Lindsay Lohan in her own words.
There's not a second that goes by where if I do something wrong, I won't immediately look at the situation and say, you know what, that was wrong with me, I'm sorry, I shouldn't have done that.
After her life spun out of control, Lindsay now sits down with Extra as she tries to rebuild her life.
I have never seen you look so healthy and so beautiful.
Thank you.
Here in her new home near the beach, Lindsay is finally opening up about her days in rehab, her long road to redemption, and her life on the run from those ever-present paparazzi.
Driving up here, I expected to see them everywhere, not one.
There were 15 before we called the police.
Just the little things you have to deal with, which are not so little.
Yeah, I mean, there are bigger things right now.
Like staying out of jail and staying clean and sober after 73 days at Betty Ford.
When you were away, what occupied your time? What did you do besides, obviously, working on yourself?
I enjoy writing, reading, talking to other people, and hearing different people's stories. That's always interesting to me, and relating to them is a nice thing.
And where are you right now? How are you feeling?
I feel great. I feel happy. There's always, bumps that we have in the road, and as long as I'm focusing on the one thing that I know I need to put first in my life, which is, my recovery and stuff, and I'm doing good, and that's most important for me.
While you were away working on that, what did you miss the most?
Working. I miss being on set. I really do miss it, and I know that, there's gonna be a lot of steps that I have to go through to kind of prove myself again and get the trust from the people that I respect to work with, but I'm willing to do what I have to do to get there, because that's my passion.
When you say you have to go through those steps, do you think that's going to be a tough road for you?
It depends.
What is it that you want to do when you are ready to come back to work?
Great movies, great films, tell great stories. That's what I've aspired to do my whole life, and personal instances in my life have gotten in the way. But I don't want that to be what I'm known for anymore, the tabloid stuff. That's not important to me. I don't like the attention. I don't want that. I want my attention to come through in my films for the work that I'm doing, not for if I'm going to the hair salon.
How difficult is that going to be to achieve that?
One day at a time.
Tomorrow, the stars line up in Lindsay's corner.
Charlie Sheen even.
Charlie's message to Lindsay, her fears for the future, and an exclusive look inside her new home.
I love it here.
That's tomorrow only on Extra.